Picture this. Across the UK, families are chucking away a staggering 1.4 million perfectly edible bananas every single day, according to a 2017 study. That's a mountain of food waste piling up, and it's heartbreaking when we could be doing better. Bananas are notorious for this problem, often getting tossed because they start looking bruised or brown, even though they're still safe and tasty. As a nutrition coach, I'm excited to dive into the science of why bananas brown so quickly and share straightforward tips to keep them fresher longer, helping you cut down on waste and save some money in the process. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we overreacting to those brown spots? Or is there a hidden truth about how we handle our fruit that could change the way you shop and eat? Let's break down the basics for anyone new to this. Why do bananas turn brown in the first place? It's all tied to a natural ripening process involving a gas called ethylene. As bananas mature, they produce this ethylene gas, which helps make the fruit softer and more flavorful. That's why they shift from a fresh green color to bright yellow, and eventually those telltale brown spots appear. The more ethylene builds up, the browner and softer they get. For beginners, think of ethylene as the fruit's internal timer, speeding up the aging process to make bananas ready to eat at their prime. And this is the part most people miss. Bruising plays a big role too. If your bananas get banged around during transport or storage, the damaged areas ramp up ethylene production even more, causing them to brown faster than usual. It's like a chain reaction. One little bruise sets off an ethylene explosion, turning your bunch black and spotty quicker than you'd like. Understanding this helps us see why handling them gently from the start is so important. Now, on to the practical side. How can you keep bananas fresher for longer and avoid that unnecessary waste? The secret lies in smart storage choices. First off, if your bananas came wrapped in plastic or paper bags from the store, peel those off right away. Keeping them enclosed traps the ethylene gas, accelerating ripening like a fast-forward button on your favorite show. Instead, give them some breathing room. You might be surprised, but that fruit bowl in your kitchen isn't always the best spot. Other fruits release their own ethylene, which can mingle with your bananas and speed up their browning. To prevent this, store bananas on their own, in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard, away from heat sources like ovens, stovetops, or even sunny windows. This simple separation can make a world of difference, ensuring they stay yellow and firm for days. For an extra boost, some experts swear by wrapping the stem, that's the top part where the banana was attached to the bunch, in aluminium foil or cling film. Since the stem is the main exit point for ethylene gas, covering it traps the gas inside and slows down the ripening. This trick could extend your banana's life by up to 10 to 14 days. Imagine stretching that bunch through the week without a single brown spot. It's a small effort for big results, and it's something you can try right away. But is it safe to eat those brown bananas once they do turn? Absolutely. In most cases, they're just softer and sweeter due to the ripening. Many people bake with them for cakes or bread, adding natural sweetness without piling on extra sugar. It's a creative way to reduce waste and get more bang for your buck. That said, always do a quick check before digging in. Look for mold, excessive mushiness, any leaking juices, or a strange smell. If you spot any of those red flags, it's best to toss them out to stay safe. This brings me to a potentially divisive point. Some folks argue that embracing brown bananas is eco-friendly and resourceful, while others insist on that pristine yellow look and might even avoid them altogether. Is eating browned fruit a sign of smart sustainability? Or are we ignoring potential health risks by pushing boundaries? What do you think? Should we normalize using overripe produce? Or is there a line we shouldn't cross? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you have a favorite trick for storing bananas? Or do you disagree with baking with the brown ones? Share your experiences and let's discuss!